Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking people in the family to the lake and we're going to feed our most interesting fish, who's obviously Bubba the blood parrot, named after Bubba Watson because my wife loves golf, and we're going to hand feed him, which is actually pretty neat. So let's take a look, and he'll even nibble your finger if you haven't got food on it as well. Let's get it going. So we've had Bubba now for about 4 years, I'd say, so not sure how old he is, probably about 4.5, but we'll wet our finger, put the finger in some food, and then watch him go to town.
He's here already.
He is.
Oh my days! How high did he jump then?
You alright? Let's go again, go again, go again.
Why?
Go again.
No, don't.
He means well.
Oh, come on
Don't you,
now.
mate? He
Last
means
one,
well.
this.
Yeah, I'm gonna get him from underneath.
I don't.
I'm gonna watch him just.
Oh, shit. Is he?
Yeah, of course he's. Look at him. I've got him from underneath. This is gonna look funny.
Oh, I missed it. Oh, I got it.
Alright, go one more.
Oh, I can't.
God.
Look, I can't even dunk my finger in without him getting me.
Oh, it's easy.
Oh. It proper makes a sucking noise as well, doesn't it?
Alright, Bubs. Tester for you. See how high you can jump. You think you can make that?
Can't get that high.
Go on, fella. Go on. Oh, good effort that.
That one high.
That were high. Let's try him one more time. See what we can get this time.
Come in. Come in. Come in. Oh.
Quite high. You didn't quite. There he is.
He's on his way.
Thinking about it. Too high, too low.
Get a little closer to him.
Is it on your finger?
Yeah.
Oh.
I could be on telly. So what you want to do is you want to dip your finger in the water like that, get it wet, and then you see how the food sticks, and then watch Bubba. Can you see him? Mm-hmm.
I see Bubba.
Yeah, he's going to come here in a minute. Yeah, in a minute maybe.
Oh, he's looking at me.
He's looking
that's why.
at my mum. That's why.
He thinks, oh, hang on, here she is.
Oh, now he's coming.
Here he is. Oh. Oh.
You see that? Do you want to do that? Are you sure? He might bite a little bit. You don't want to do it? Should we just watch him again? We'll watch him do it again. You like watching, don't you? You ready? Can you see him?
Oh.
You see him jump? We'll go one more. We'll go one more. You ready? Watch him jump.
Oh.
See him? It's cool, that, isn't it?
He's too long.
Uh-huh. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Just thought I'd get the family going with a fun little video for you guys with Bubba. He's still hungry, even though I've got nothing on my finger, but really, really cool to have a fish with such personality. If you're not already subscribed to this channel and this is your first time visiting us. Be sure to subscribe, as we've got some pretty nice fish, as you can see there. And if you're a long-time subscriber, some of them are new, so be sure to look out for our next video, where we'll be giving you an in-depth look at every single one of them with a new unboxing video from one of my good buddies over in Ohio. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you on the next one.